The day that I met you, I started dreaming.
In the club, hopping with my niggas. Kodak poppin'. All love, rockin' on them chiggers. On the money. You ain't talking money, I don't need.
Welcome back to another session of where I make free money pop out of thin air. It's just what I do, so let's get into it. Okay guys, we made a total of $10 after playing for an hour. We made $10. Not ideal, but nonetheless, we're gonna go fishing and we're gonna catch a shark. Yeah, let's get it.
Two 1,000, three 1,000, four 1,000. Who's gonna spit? Who's gonna spit? Today.
Last night didn't go too well. Here's a little sneak peek.
Don't let me leave, Murph! No! 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 No!
Conductor, we have a problem! Conductor, we have a problem! Conductor! Conductor, we have a problem! Conductor, we have a problem! Conductor, we have a problem!
So, we're gonna take a break from gambling and get in touch with nature. We love nature. Nature heals gambling addictions. Just grab a little brewski and go into some nature. So, we got our little shotties. We're gonna do a shotty counter. Brewskis in nature. Why not? Cheers, my brother.
Think on a bomb bomb. The was on Jamaican. With a different style, different fashion. You know? Tell me say one thing, Nancy, if you understand. One thing, Nancy, if you understand. What make them a talk about me ambition? Say what make them a talk about me ambition? Come and say some of them a ask me where me get it from. Just some of them a ask me where me get it from. I told them no, no, it's from creation. I told them no, no, it's from creation. Bam, bam, hey yo, what a bam, bam.
Repping the brand. OG brand right there. If you know, you know. Alright.
We bring the boom. That's what we do. We bring the boom.
We hit another shoddy checkpoint. You wish you was here. But you
To everyone, we bring the boom. Your favorite father and son.
Every afternoon on your FYP,
We'll be bringing the boom around 3:15.
we bring the boom so loud the whole earth shakes.
With double chunk chocolate cookies.
And chicken bakes, biceps and triceps bring the boom that everybody deserves.
And we call him Big Justice, cause that's what he serves.
We bring the happiness and laughter when we enter the room. And we're changing up the world with the boom all do.
We bring the boom. That's what we do. We bring the boom.
1, 2, 3.
We bring the boom to you. We bring the boom. We bring the boom to everyone. We bring the boom. Your favorite father and son.
When you subscribe here to our channel, no, you'll never be alone.
We bring the boom to you each day right here from Boca Raton.
Stick with the Costco guy
gambling, I already feel like I'm not addicted anymore, which is great because it was a problem for a little bit, but it's not anymore because we're in nature. Nature, baby. Nature heals all.